It can be really challenging to get a nice bind off on a top-down cuff, like the knit one, purl one ribbing. If you do an Italian tubular bind off, it looks really great, but it can be fiddly to do. The trick is to get something that's nice and stretchy, but still looks tidy. So Jeny's surprisingly stretchy bind off is nice and stretchy, but it doesn't always look as tidy as I would like it to look. So let's look at this technique, which I think you'll really like because it's easy to do and it gives you a nice stretchy edge, but it also looks really tidy. You want to begin with a purl stitch and then a knit stitch. So you're going to bring your yarn over your needle from front to back. This is a backward yarn over like you do with Jeny's surprisingly stretchy bind off. And then I'm going to knit the knit stitch and the purl stitch together. And then I'm going to bind off that yarn over and the stitch up and over the stitch I just made. Bring the yarn forward from back to front over the needle. Work the knit and the purl stitch together and bind off the yarn over and the stitch. That gives you a nice unflared ribbed bind off that looks really tidy and clean, and it's much easier than a lot of the others. It's not as pretty and perfect as a tubular bind off, but for a quick and dirty bind off, I like it just fine.